First shot entering the ant colony. Prompt: a tiny human walking carefully through the entrance of an ant colony, peering into a tunnel leading underground. The surroundings are dark, with only dim light filtering through cracks in the dirt. Ants scurry past carrying bits of food and leaves. Second shot, exploring the ant tunnels. Prompt: the small human cautiously walking through winding tunnels inside the ant colony. The dirt walls are towering above the human, while ants busily march in organized lines. The camera follows closely behind the human as they look around in amazement. Third shot, observing the workers. Prompt: a close-up of the tiny human watching a group of worker ants hauling food back to their chambers. The human crouches, marveling at how the ants communicate and cooperate, while the ants work tirelessly in the background. Fourth shot, meeting the queen ant. Prompt: the tiny human enters a large chamber at the heart of the colony where the queen ant resides. The queen ant is massive, surrounded by workers. The human stands in awe, gazing at the queen as she lays eggs, while ants tend to her needs. Fifth shot, getting inspected by ants. Prompt: a curious group of ants gathers around the small human, inspecting them. The ants move around the human's feet, poking and prodding gently, as the human stands still, watching in fascination. Sixth shot, escaping a worker rush. Prompt: the human runs through the colony's tunnels as a wave of worker ants rush toward them. The camera moves dynamically, following the human as they dodge the fast-moving ants, barely keeping ahead of the swarm. Final shot, exiting the colony. Prompt: the human emerges from the ant colony back into the daylight, covered in dirt but smiling, looking back at the entrance one last time as ants continue their busy work inside the tunnels.